Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online for NEET. First, select a reputable online platform that provides complete NEET preparation. Next, set up a consistent and quiet study area to minimize distractions. Make sure your internet connection is strong and reliable. Finally, organize all your digital study materials, such as ebooks, video lectures, and practice questions, for easy access. This foundational setup is crucial for effective online learning. Developing a structured study schedule is vital for online NEET preparation. Design a realistic daily and weekly timetable, allocating specific hours for physics, chemistry, and biology. Incorporate short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and improve retention. Don't forget to schedule dedicated time for revision and solving practice problems. Consistency in following your schedule will significantly boost your progress and understanding of complex topics. To maximize your online learning, engage actively with all available resources. Attend live classes diligently, asking questions to clarify doubts immediately. Participate in online forums and study groups to discuss concepts and learn from peers. Regularly take full-length mock tests to simulate exam conditions and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Analyzing your performance after each test is key to improving your scores and understanding areas needing more attention. Consistent review and practice are the cornerstones of NEET success. Dedicate time each week to revisit all covered topics, reinforcing your understanding and memory. Solve a vast number of previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and question types. Remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition and adequate sleep, to sustain your energy. Check the description for a link to helpful meal prep containers and other great deals to support your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.